Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Alen Breathesmart 75i air purifier. This model is designed to tackle air quality in large spaces effectively. Let's see how it performs. The Alen Breathesmart 75i is aimed at those needing robust air purification for expansive areas up to 1,300 square feet. It promises powerful performance with a CADR of 347 cubic feet per minute, ensuring rapid air turnover. Starting with its design, the Breathesmart 75i features a sleek and discreet aesthetic. Available in multiple front panel colors to blend with various interiors. Its build quality is solid, with a user-friendly setup involving simple assembly and magnetic front panels for easy filter access. In terms of performance, this model impresses with its ability to swiftly clear out contaminants like smoke and odors. Though it's noted that heavy odors may linger slightly. The unit operates with 5 power settings, including an auto mode that adjusts purification based on real-time air quality. Functionality-wise, the Breathesmart 75i offers capacitive touch controls on the unit itself, supplemented by app control for remote management and monitoring. The app, although not prominently advertised, provides useful insights and allows for setting adjustments. Filtration options include the standard H13 HEPA filter, with additional choices like the Fresh filter incorporating carbon for VOx and chemicals, and an Odor filter for neutralizing odors. Filters are easily replaceable and can be subscribed to for convenient maintenance. To wrap up, the Alen Breathesmart 75i is an excellent choice for those needing potent air purification in spacious environments. While it's a premium investment, its performance and build quality justify the cost if you have the space and need for thorough air cleaning. That concludes our review of the Alen Breathesmart 75i. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.